Hello everyone. NitroBrew can be used to infuse nitrogen into coffees and teas and beer and various beverages. But did you know that you can use NitroBrew for carbonating beverages as well? You can make your own favorite sodas by infusing carbon dioxide. The difference, of course, is you need a source of carbon dioxide. Right here, I got a CO2 cylinder connecting up to the NitroBrew charger to provide the carbonation. So this cylinder is set to about 45 psi. So today I want to carbonate my favorite ginger tea. So I put a little bit of my concentrate that I store in my fridge, and I put some ice cubes and some water till about the 12 ounce mark. So what I do is the head space is full of air right now. So I just want to charge it once, maybe one more time. That's good. So give it a good shake. Give it another shot. Another shake. Just wait for the liquid to settle and then gently vent the pressure. So you're just venting out the headspace pressure so that you can open the lid. You don't want to dispense from the nozzle for a carbonated beverage. Alright, once all the pressure is gone, you can open it up and pour yourself some awesome ginger tea in my case, or whatever. Favorite summer drink you prefer. Cheers.